Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can use Microsoft Office online. If you don't want to store your files, documents, or sheets on your laptop or your computer, you can store them online. I will just show you. You can use this website office.com. It's by Microsoft. You can use Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and other things online. This is my email ID of Microsoft. I'm just gonna give my pass key. It's just gonna log in. By the way, I'm just hiding my emails. Yeah, I want to stay signed in. Here's Microsoft 365 and it's completely free. You can use Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook and OneNote completely free. I can show you just I can create a Word Excel file and it's free. I guess Microsoft charges if you get Microsoft Office for your laptop, you need to pay to Microsoft. But if you use it online, Microsoft is not gonna charge you anything. Just wait few seconds. You can use Excel, you can use Word, you can use PowerPoint, you can use any of them. Like if you want to use Microsoft 365, if you want to use Microsoft 365, it's almost 700 rupees per month. That's almost, I guess, I don't know in USD, but it may be 10 USD. But they are offering cheaper plans in India. It may be expensive in USA. It's just gonna open, just wait. I'm just gonna show you Amazon.com. Yeah, or we are just gonna search how much Microsoft. It has just opened and you can create a new notebook. It's almost same. I will say in USA, most of the people in maybe in USA right now, because I am just it's just $10 per month and you can get it completely free. You can use Excel online and after that you can just store it. I will just show you. It's just gonna store it on your OneDrive. I just sets its name to book and it's online. You can store all your documents online. Even if your computer breaks, SSD has something happens to your hard drive or SSD, you can still access it. All you need is your Microsoft account. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.